children, welcome to my channel Gauri Acha. Today in this video we shall learn about grade 6 Fitzroy Readers English story number 47, The New Year Party. Come, let's get started. We will discuss this chapter in two different parts and this video going to be the first part. Welcome to Gauri Acha channel. Fitzroy Readers story number 47, The New Year Party. Here you can observe children are enjoying the New Year party. They are throwing balloons, color papers and presenting gifts. They are enjoying having fun and all. Fitzroy Readers basically stress on phonic sounds and our pronunciation. That's why they have newly introduced words we know, new sounds and special words. Here are words we know: wanted, caught, cost, sit, world, work, gather, impress, listen, ignore, outside, suggest, anyone, someone, everyone, balloon, smoke, smoking, guard, mudguard, admire, pause, because, autumn, parents, naturally, always, believe, special, trouble, nothing, actually, true. What is the meaning of wanted? Something we need, something we require is wanted, and present tense is want, past tense wanted. Caught is also past form of the catch, something we capture or something we hold, that is catch, or past tense form caught. Caused is also past form of cause, affecting. Affect is cause. Suit, something more appropriate to us and most matches us. World, the motherland, earth. Work, something involves both or mental and physical activity. Gather, assemble. Impress, making someone to feel admiration or respect on us. Listen, hearing. Ignore, neglecting, pay less attention towards them or something. Outside, out of the home or school, outskirts. Suggest, giving suggestions, guiding someone. Anyone, any of the people. Someone, somebody. Everyone, all of the people. Balloon is an inflated rubber filled with air. Children used to play with that. Smoke is the verb, it's a bad habit. Smoking acts as noun and it's continuous form of smoke. Guard, giving protection. Mudguard, it will be situated over the wheel of car or any bike. It protects wheel from dust or mud. Admire, prizing someone. Pause, it is a temporary stop. Naturally, nothing added to it. As it is, treating as it is naturally, always, all the time. Believe, accepting someone or something without any proof is believe. Having faith on it or on him or her. Special, not normal, unique. Trouble, being problematic to someone. Nothing, not anything. Actually, in fact, the truth. Through, via. For example, Hamish gone to Bangalore via Hassan. Now, new sounds. Were as in work. You stress less on our children. You avoid pronouncing R. Were as in work. Look throughout the story, find some words starts with were, underline them and read them aloud in class. Here are special words. Wandered. What is the meaning of wandered? Walk or move in a leisurely or aimless way in a break period. There is no goal to reach. Simply keep on walking. Here is one picture. From this you can understand wandered. What is the meaning of wander? Walk from place to place without any particular purpose. For example, we wandered around the market looking at the displays. Strayed, drifted, trek, tribes, ramble, stray, cruise, hike, float, drift. These are some synonyms for wandered. Next special word, Hobart. Hobart is the capital and most populous city of the Australian island, state of Tasmania. It is homeland to almost half of all Tasmanians. It is the least populated Australian state, capital city, and second smallest if territories are taken into account after Darwin, Northern Territory. Next special word, Michael. It is a noun. How to pronounce it? Michael. Part of speech is noun. He is friend of Hamish in this story. And next word, tires. What is the meaning of tires? A rubber covering typically inflated or surrounding an inflated inner tube placed round a wheel to form soft contact with the road. Here you can observe the tire. Audience. What is the meaning of audience? The assembled spectators or listeners at a public event such as play, film, concert or meeting. Here the crowd is cheering by seeing their favorite hero or singer, whatever. In Kannada, we used to say Prekshakaru. Next special word, suitable. Right or appropriate for a particular person, purpose or situation is suitable. Here are synonyms for suitable: fit, appropriate, fitting, right, proper, befitting, suited, apt, desirable, good. And here are antonyms, opposite words for suitable or unsuitable, inappropriate, improper, unfitting, inadequate, unacceptable, incorrect, unskilled, unfit, insufficient. Before starting this story, you must fill up KWH chart and what came in, what do I know? W, what do I want to know? H, how do I find out? L, what have I learned? A, what action will I take after learning this story? Q, what new questions do I have? The New Year Party. Now, dear activity, drop everything and read. This is the format for dear activity. First, you have to write your name, date, title, author, page, number of pages you read. Circle one of the following topics and reflect. Summary. First, you have to sum up whatever you read. Question. Ask a question to help you understand better. Prediction. What all you think will happen next and why from the red page would have been reading. Connection, make a connection to your daily life, and reflection. What you have learned from this page you have to write in this format. Hamish and Michael lived in Hobart. On New Year's Day, the 1st of January, they went to a party. When they got there, they noticed a group of guests gathered around a very well-dressed fellow called Alex. Hamish and Michael both are very best friends, kith and kin friends. They were living in Hobart. Hobart is capital city of Tasmania. On New Year's Day, 1st Jan, they both went to New Year party where they observed the person called Alex surrounded by many of the people who were gathered in the party hall. Alex seemed to be drinking a lot of beer. He was talking about his Porsche car. Take my word for it. Alex was saying, I know a lot about cars. I have done a lot of work on my Porsche. It's worth at least $60,000, he boasted. What is the meaning of boasted? Talk with excessive pride and self-satisfaction about one's achievements, possessions, or abilities. Dollar. Dollar is the basic monetary unit of the US, Canada, Australia, and certain countries in the Pacific, Caribbean, Southeast Asia, Africa, and South America. By looking at Alex itself, we can decide that he has drunken a lot. He was talking about his Porsche sports car. Take my word for it. Who is saying? Hamish explaining. Take my word for it, Alex was saying, I know a lot about cars. I have done a lot of work on my Porsche. It's worth at least $60,000, he boasted. He had excessive pride on his sports Porsche car. He was boasting that it's worth at least $60,000 in our Indian currency. $1 equals to 72 rupees. Around it's more than 25 lakh rupees in our Indian currency. Alex talked quite loudly and used a lot of words like carburetor and manifold. Hamish was really impressed by Alex and listened to his every word. He tried to look as if he understood at all. Alex talked quite loudly now because he had false pride on his car and used a lot of words like carburetor and manifold that can be found in Porsche sports car. Carburetor is a device in an internal combustion engine for mixing air with a fine spray of liquid fuel, and manifold, it is a pipe or chamber branching into several openings. Hamish was really impressed by these kind of words that said by Alex and listened to his each and every word. He tried to look as if he understood it at all, even though he didn't understand those terms and concepts. He looked at him, he understood it all. Okay children, this will be the part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. In next video, I'll explain about part 2. I hope you understood till this page very well. If you are watching my video without subscribing, please do subscribe under this video and click on the bell icon so you will get all kind of notifications from my channel. Stay tuned for more English lessons explanations. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Links will be there in the description box. Until the next video, take care. Bye bye. Good day.